Hi, I'm Ira Bussman, OKUMA'S Vice President of Customer Service. If you know OKUMA, you know our mission, to passionately pursue a customer for life. Because of that, we never stop working to bring you superior machines, advanced technologies, and exceptional customer support. Now we're taking it one step further. Introducing our new standard warranty program. We build our machines with the utmost quality and care. But as anyone in the industry knows, even with the best preventive maintenance, daily use inevitably causes wear and tear. With our new standard warranty program, you'll have peace of mind when you purchase any OKUMA core or high-tech product. This includes 3 years of comprehensive coverage on OKUMA core products and 2 years on high-tech products. Plus, you'll get 5 years of full coverage on the OSP control and 2 years of coverage on FANUC products. Because of our single source build concept, we have a substantial part inventory to get you back up and running quickly. Not to mention, we have awesome customer service representatives to help you every step of the way. Our expansive one-source distribution network also ensures that care extends well beyond your machine tool. When you purchase an OKUMA machine, you can count on our dedicated support. We're committed to helping you. It's why our customers are customers for life. OKUMA, welcome to open possibilities.